Well, welcome back. It's day 4. All right. And day 4 is all about setting up my digital business. Okay, today I just want to take a little time out to take you behind the scenes and just show you what I'm doing in my digital business. Even as a beginner, everybody has a behind the scenes, right? So I'm going to go through it step by step, the system. I'm going to take you inside of Digital Profits You. And I'm going to walk you through exactly how I, as a beginner, am setting up my sales page. I'm starting to build my email list and how I'm launching this done for you product. Now, here's one thing that I love about this is that I'm not doing it alone. I'm I've got training, I got mentorship, I have a full community that's helping me through all of this. So it's not like I'm on my own. It's not like this. You bought it, you're one and done. No, 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 no. I got help. I got mentorship. So I always thought tech would be the hardest part of doing a business, but just to figure out and find out that's all just hype. But actual skills, which is what you actually need. As long as you got skills, you can do anything. It doesn't matter. Now, if you ever wanted to see what goes on, or how to start an online business for real, then this is it. Now, I'll drop the link below if you want to see what I'm using, and or if you just want to, get inside, look at the system, and use the same system that I'm using. Let's keep it real. Let's keep it going. Again, subscribe if you want to follow me on my journey. I'll be posting everything that I learn.